Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today I wanted to discuss a feature that iGUIDE came out with in I think April of 2024. It's called Lead Magnet. It turns iGUIDE into a 24/7 open house by helping to introduce potential buyers to the listing agent via a simple form. The prospect receives a full iGUIDE with all panels exposed for providing their details, and the lead goes directly to the agent. So let's go ahead and read a little bit about this iGUIDE lead magnet. In April of 2024, Planetar, makers of iGUIDE, a proprietary camera and software platform for capturing and delivering 3D virtual tours and property data, today introduced iGUIDE Lead Magnet, an exclusive product feature designed to help real estate agents capture leads and get market feedback in real time as prospective buyers view iGUIDE 3D virtual tour property listings. iGUIDE Lead Magnet is an interactive pop-up element that appears in the iGUIDE viewer as potential buyers explore real estate listings. This feature allows buyers to request more details by providing their contact information in exchange for receiving access to additional visuals via an email or an SMS from the listing agent. The agent can engage with the qualified lead as they choose. This new product feature is about forging relationships in real estate, says the CEO and co-founder of Planetar. Even after COVID-19, industry-wide adoption of 3D tours in real estate has barely crossed into double digits, as listing agents haven't been able to capture feedback about a property or start a conversation with potential buyers within a 3D tour. The new iGUIDE Lead Magnet solves both problems by letting buyers share their contact information to get access to additional property visuals delivered in the detailed version of iGUIDE 3D Virtual Tour, while encouraging buyers to ask questions and provide feedback about the listing. This exchange gives agents a way to contact and engage with qualified, interested buyers and connect with potential future listing prospects. In addition to generating real-time leads 24/7, iGUIDE Lead Magnet empowers buyers to provide valuable feedback directly on the virtual listings, offering agents insights they can share with the sellers. Real estate professionals have the flexibility to streamline their communication process by automatically responding to leads via email or SMS, saving time while still delivering personalized responses tailored to each potential buyer's inquiries. Here's how it works. A pop-up form appears in the iGUIDE viewer after a prospective buyer explores a listing. A prospective buyer can elect to provide their contact information for access to additional property visuals delivered via the detailed iGUIDE 3D virtual tour. The listing agent receives an alert either by text or email with the prospective buyer's contact information. If configured, an automatic email is sent at the same time to the prospective buyer with the detailed iGUIDE 3D virtual tour link. The agent can choose to send an automatic or custom response, providing the buyer with detailed iGUIDE 3D virtual tour and engaging them into a conversation or arranging for a virtual showing if a curated agent-guided iGUIDE experience is desired. The key features and benefits of iGUIDE Lead Magnet include buyer lead data is sent in real time via email notification or SMS. Prospective buyers are encouraged to provide valuable feedback that the listing agent can share with the sellers. Minimal effort is required by an agent to set up and maintain while retaining control over listing visuals, as well as client communications. iGUIDE Lead Magnet takes advantage of the unique way iGUIDE 3D virtual tours can hide and show visuals and or rooms, creating two unique iGUIDE versions. And there's no additional cost above the iGUIDE 3D virtual tour. This exclusive new product feature is available on all iGUIDE 3D virtual tours, instant, standard, and premium. And they have a link. For more information, visit goiguide.com/get-iGUIDE/iGUIDE/lead-magnet. And here is another page on iGUIDE's website that talks about the 24/7 virtual open house. So I will put a link to this page in the description of this video. There's a brochure you can get. And now let's look at what this looks like. So here I have one that we've enabled this lead magnet. We're going to click this URL. This is a property I just scanned yesterday. You can see we have the detailed floor plan with the premium features now showing up. That's nice. After some time, a pop-up should appear. So we're going to walk around and we're going to wait and see. And there you go. Get access to additional visuals. Certain areas have been disabled in this tour. Share your info to get access to all areas. Put your name, email, phone number, and questions. Now I'm going to hit submit, and I'm curious to see if I get an email, but more importantly, I will let the agent know that I just submitted a test, and I'll ask him to share his email with me. To set up iGUIDE Lead Magnet, it's really simple. Oh, and here we go. I did get an email. Dear Thomas Sparks, use the link below to access a detailed tour. This is an automated reply from a no reply email address. If you have any questions on your form, please wait for a follow-up message. And then it has the agent's information here. So if we click it, you'll be able to see the tour. So going back to set this up, we'll pick one that we haven't done yet. This one, for example. We're going to hit edit. We're going to scroll down, and under lead magnet, we're going to do show contact form. We can also enable send SMS if they have a phone number set up in their banner. That's a valid phone number. It will send an SMS message. Once we hit save, we're going to go up here and go back, and you'll see that now it created a second URL. So if I'm not mistaken, this first URL is the lead magnet, and the second URL is the one without the lead magnet. And we'll test that out by just kind of clicking in here and seeing what it does. It should not pop up the lead magnet if my guess is correct. And, yep, no lead magnet. So the first URL is the one that does have the lead magnet. So there you have it. A 24/7 open house, a way for agents to capture leads. I think it's a great thing. There's a lot of people that visit websites, view iGUIDE 3D tours, and agents miss a lot of that data because previously they weren't able to capture that. And so now, if a prospective buyer is looking at a property, they can put their email in. The agent will capture that information, and maybe that property isn't the right one for them, but now the agent has their information to reach out to them and show them other properties. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this feature that iGUIDE released, iGUIDE Lead Magnet. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it if you find it useful. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. I would appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.